How you guys doing? So we're back at it again with a Viper Part 2 video. In this episode, we're going to be picking it up from the frame shop. He's going to go over a little bit of what was done, take it to the body shop, and then start the body work, finish the body work, get the whole thing painted. It's been quite an adventure with everything going on, the weather, my wedding, COVID. It's been quite a mission just doing any type of projects, meeting deadlines, having a mask, not having a mask, bunch of craziness. I'm sure you guys all understand. I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, do your thing. I appreciate it greatly. Enjoy.
I did the best I could with what we had. I mean, it all together, it fits. It might not a trick, but show you.
The Viper's framework is basically wrapped up. Came out pretty decent, but definitely needs a little bit more love.
Okay. So we'll go from this position. I'll show you how to do this. When you go down with this hood, ease it down. See, it's in the right spot. It lats itself in there. Then you gotta watch here. Move this thing over just a little bit.
Done.
You don't have to slam this. There's those transformers or whatever for the headlights, but
it's so funny, dude. I'm recording this stuff and people like are probably looking at me if they see this camera and they're probably like, who's this boy in this ghetto van a strap for strapping on the hood? This Viper's sick though.
What happened there, Gary?
Alright guys, we're going to continue to do a walk around of the car, and as you can see where the yellow tape is, that's where bodywork will be required. The door, the quarter panel, and the rear bumper. On the passenger side there's another spot on the rear bumper, as well as a nice scratch on the rear quarter panel that will need to get addressed. The side skirt and the door and the front bumper and hood will also need a bit of love. This is the shop dog. He's a good puppy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Alright, back to the car. So the front bonnet needs a few spots, as you can see. The car wouldn't start for some reason after we parked it and tried getting into it, and I think it was the immobilizer. So we tried to disconnect the terminal, get a jumper up to it, but we had no luck. So we continued to search for some answers on Google and figured out that there is a spot in the center console where you put the key into and you basically reset it. After messing around for a little bit, the car started with no issues. On to the bodywork and paint. We just pulled up back to the car. As you can see, some of the trouble areas that need to get fixed up and repainted. Spot by the door as well. So the car is looking good. It's all red again, so that's a plus, but definitely needs some love on a few areas. So they're gonna go ahead and repaint the car, and we're gonna come back and pick it up and button it all up. See you in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you saw, all the body work, prep work, and paint went into the Viper. Didn't turn out perfect as we hoped, but the car's gonna get touched up, repainted, and it's gonna shine and look flawless. We're gonna go ahead and continue with a little bit of the body work, finish it up, button up the rest of the parts and pieces that make it look 100% to stock, and then yeah, take it out for a spin. We might throw some new tires on it, some new wheels, so you better stay tuned for that. As always guys, leave a like. It's always appreciated. It helps me out. I can continue to bring content and just grow bigger and better. Let me know if you guys want me to do anything, any new projects you want me to pick up. The weather's coming down. We got a winter storm here recently, so it's gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna keep doing my best to bring you guys some heat. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. I post stuff on there as I work on the projects. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys next time. As always, be blessed and be superish.